Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging at Productronica 23, and I'm here with Michael from Green Circuits, and we're going to talk about all things design for and some other interesting stuff as well. So, Michael, perhaps you could tell us a little bit about Green Circuits to start with.
Absolutely. Green Circuits is a lower middle market assembler and designer of assembled circuit boards. We're based in San Jose, California. We've got about 60,000 square feet under roof, and we run 5 SMT lines. We have a design crew both in Southeast Asia and in the U.S., and we do circuit board assemblies largely for complex products in aerospace, defense, medical, and EV, among others. We've been in business for about 20 years. And,
okay. So just to correct something for anybody who's watching this, when he said low to middle, he wasn't talking about quality, he was talking about the volume.
Fair enough, yes. Yeah, we'll do as few as a single board up to a few thousand boards, but that's the upper limit of our volume.
Yeah, and it's really about the complexity, and I understand one of your, let's say, key USPs is that you like to work with the people who are designing the product to make it easy to assemble, make it easy to test, and make it reliable, and all the other things that we need to do.
Indeed. Well, we do, to the extent we can, we like to work with our customers early on in their development stage. And if we're brought in at any point, we'll offer up recommendations on how to change or improve, and our production engineers help scale product. So we'll often see customers will bring us a board they would like to have built for prototyping, and we'll walk it through the process, even take it through low volume production and pilot, and then we'll show them how to pass it along to scale production.
Okay, so you're getting involved in a lot of cases when there's a prototype rather than getting involved with the designers.
Yes, yeah, we very much do. We do quite a bit of prototyping.
Yeah, it's a shame because we all know it is really good if you can talk to the designers, but that seems to be the holy grail that never happens in our industry.
It's rare, but we're seeing more and more we're being pulled into design work, particularly right now, certainly in North America. There's a challenge finding design engineers, and so our capabilities get leveraged more and more frequently.
Yeah, I suppose I hadn't actually thought of that, but when you have a higher skill set possibly than the people who are doing the design, then you really need to be involved right at the front end. Yeah?
We do, and one of the other elements that I think is occurring is the really just massive growth we've seen in a number of different sectors over the last 2 or 3 years, particularly in aerospace, electric vehicles, both air and ground-based. We're seeing a higher and higher demand for our types of services, and we're seeing a higher demand for the engineering and design services as well.
Yeah. And I guess you're seeing a huge increase in complexity of the boards as well.
Very definitely. And one of the features that we offer our customers is our ability to handle complexity. We do boards as large as 96 layers, 15,000 placements, recessed, double stacked, highly complex. And we can also handle box build. And again, we're doing the prototype scale up to small pilots, so we can handle, with real agility, the ability to change in process as they might revise their design.
Yeah, it sounds like for what you're doing, you're also in a pretty good location.
We are. We're right in the heart of it.
Yeah, I know all of these things are challenging, and the challenges get greater every time you probably look at a new design. So it's good that there are companies out there who are basically still on top of this.
Well, thank you. It's for us, it's a great deal of fun. Our entire organization is engaged, and I'm willing to say that my operating line employees can tell you who they're supporting and what they're building for and why it matters. Because so much of what we do, I think, is truly and principally advancing everything we do from medical to even off-world exploration.
Yeah. So you're building closer and closer relationships with your customers as you do more and more.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, that's a very good story to hear, and hope you enjoy Productronica, and thank you very much for giving us your time, Michael. And
thank you.
That's Keith.
Thanks for having me.